Good
morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever in the world you are joining us from. You know how we do it, right? So you put your location in chat box. There's a crowd already. Good. Put your location in chat box. Where are you joining us from right now? Good morning. So put your location. Today is gonna be beautiful. Today is gonna be powerful. Nothing short of extraordinary. Nothing short of extraordinary. I feel so much power right now. I'm telling you, like I feel so much energy. So much energy. I feel so much energy. So this guy's gonna be dynamic. Yes, we are gonna touch on the strategy as we always do. And we're also gonna touch on the mindset as we always do. But today I'll love to take questions. Okay? I'll love to take questions. I'll love to take questions. I'll love to take questions, okay? So if you start typing everything in your chat box, I'm going to respond to every single question on the chat box. Don't worry. I'm not going to ignore anyone. Every question, I'm going to respond to them. Legend Edmondson. Legend Edmondson. Clean these glasses well. Legend Edmondson, good morning. John B. Destiny, good morning. Adechi Otaru, good morning. Please, thank you for yesterday evening, coach. Beautiful. Adechi Otaru says he's in Port Harcourt. Anya David say good morning. Don Smart says he's in Port Harcourt. Ijongbe says from Lagos, currently in Benin. Anya David says Enugu, Nigeria. Eloho Jabo says from Port Harcourt City. Port Harcourt everywhere. Port Harcourt, by the way, I'm coming to you guys in July. Okay? I'm coming to you guys in July, Port Harcourt. These extremes. Okay. Stunning my eyes. Clean it very well. I'm coming to you guys in July, okay? Come and do something good like a Forex boot camp again, free of charge for as many people as possible. Sorry. Good morning. Legend Edmondson says Accra, Ghana. Sahid Adeyemi says good morning. As you're greeting me, put your location. Smart says boss, come. Obie Funa Chibuzo says good morning, sir. Lafia, Nasarawa State. Chidi Onwuchika says good morning, sir. In Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt everywhere. Okay. Anya says, when are we expecting Enugu, boss? Almost. I don't know when I'm coming to Enugu. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Okay. But what you can do to hasten up my trip to Enugu is if you get a community of active community of 100 or let's say 70 people. Active community, let me see all of them there. Hungry 70 to 100 people. Let's keep it at 80. Put it on 80. If you get a community of 80 hungry traders, I'm gonna come and help you guys. 80. The day you have 80 of them sitting, waiting for David Achom, I'm gonna fly down. And you know I know how to pay my flights. Okay? So just get a community of 8 and I'm gonna come. Iloba Emeka says from Delta State. Good. Good. Malaki Ike says good morning, boss, from Dubai. Beautiful, beautiful. This is okay. This is not. No, wait. This is not. This is not okay. Then this side too small. Small bit. Where is my yourself and check it? But hope it's not on your eyes. It will be too heavy on your eyes. Joshua Biodun says, good morning, coach, from Ondo State. Sulaiman Peter Bamidele, good morning, coach. David from Ogun State. Sahid Adeyemi, good morning, coach, from Abulegba, Lagos. Chibuzo says, when are you coming to Abuja again? So now the thing is, I come to Abuja every now and then. So my Abuja people, you have no problem. I'm going to show, okay? My Abuja people, you don't get wild at all. If you're in Abuja, you're on this call, you have no problem. I'm going to show. Shekbo, I'm going to show. So you have no problem if you are in Abuja, all right? I'm going to come. However, when exactly am I coming? I'm planning a trip for July in 3 states, okay? I'm planning in Port Harcourt, I'm planning in UK, and I'm planning in Abuja. And that's according to the progression. So it's just I'm waiting for my visa for UK. If not, I already fixed the flights, booked it for 16th. But if the visa is not out, I can extend the tickets, no problem. But I already booked the flights. So I'm planning on those 3 states, 3 locations rather, 3 cities, sorry, for July, okay? So my Abuja people, you know, get wahala. From UK straight to Abuja, and then we'll have like a week or 2 to just relax. Till August, I'll fly back for convention in Lagos, my church convention. All right, so Abuja, you have no problem. You're gonna see me in July, by crook or by hook. He says, that's legend. He says, boss, I'm planning on traveling down to Nigeria to learn Forex. Now, there is a good and a bad part of that. If you have enough money, it's good. You can come. You don't have so much money, you're going to suffer if you come. So if you don't have so much money, stay where you are. Learn online. Pay for my VIP. In fact, pay for my one-on-one. I'm going to do one-on-one with you. Okay? Pay for my one-on-one. And then you don't need to come down to learn Forex. If you pay for my one-on-one, everything you will learn physically, you will learn online. I'm telling you the truth. Everything. Do you understand? So it's left to you to choose which of them you want. So instead of paying flights, I don't know wherever you're coming from, paying flights all the way down and then going back, or through the maybe 6 months, 3 months, you pay accommodation in Lagos. Why not pay online, one-on-one session with David, and that will sort out all your trading problems. Okay, that will sort out all your trading problems. So someone says from Accra, Ghana. We're good to see, like it's good to see you. We're happy to see you guys. All right. So let's jump into the main, the main juice for today. I was inside to buy time because I can't analyze it on my glasses. So me, I'm not going to do rubbish. There's something here. But this is okay. There's something here. Wait, come. Just carefully clean this end and this end. Just these 2 ends. All this end here. All this side. And then all this side. Okay. Clean it down and the off carefully. Don't put much pressure on it. All right. Now the way we're going to do it is I'll analyze the markets. I'll analyze 3 pairs for you guys. GBUSD and any other 2. So Afterwards, we're going to go into questions and answers. Every and any question you give me. Emphasis on every and any question you give me. I'm going to answer all. A to Z. I'm going to answer all of them. Any and every question you give to me. You understand? I'm going to answer all of them. So let's start with you guys suggest the most frequent pairs are what I'm going to pick. Suggest aside GBP USD, what other pairs should I analyze? You have like, I don't know, 30 seconds, 60 seconds to respond. What pairs should I analyze? I'm going to give you some time to respond, and then I'll look at the comment section, randomly pick any two. Well, not randomly, from the most frequently occurred, pick two, and that'll be it. What page should I analyze? What page should I analyze? Umu, please help me bring one water from the kitchen. What page should I analyze? So there's a lot of comments already. Ike Malaki says gold. Aya David says gold, sir. Hello. Hello says gold and Euro JPY. Hello says gold and Euro JPY. No, I don't want cold water. Oh, Jesus. There's no other. I don't. Oh, shit. Please go and buy one pack of water. Just collect it. I'll transfer the money. I don't want cold water with this code. You want me to freeze here? So I'm waiting for the comment. There are only a few comments here in the comment section. What pair should I analyze? Malaki says gold. Anya David says gold. Eloho says gold. Then Eloho also says 0 JPY. Sahid says 0 AUD or something like that. Yeah, 0 AUD. Joshua Biodun says gold. Sahid says 0 AUD again. Sahid, calm down. Slimon, GBP I already said we are going to do GBP now. So do something else aside GBP Olisa Emeka is saying GBP I already said we are going to do GBP so do something else. USD JPY. Andy Best Maxwell says from Plateau State, Plateau Jos. Euro USD, GBP JPY. Oyindamola, good morning, coach. AED USD. So frequently occurred, there is gold. Then I need to pick one more. So we are doing gold and something else. What other thing is that? Every other thing is appearing once. Euro JPY once. Euro AED once. USD JPY once. Euro USD once. GBP JPY once. Okay, GBP JPY twice. AED USD once. So we are going to do we're going to do GBP. We're going to do GBP JPY and XAU USD. We're going to do GBP JPY and XAU USD. Okay. Just bring it. Come and drop it in this side. so it's easier for us to access. So we're going to do GBP, and Euro. Sorry, GBP and then gold. GBP and then gold. Okay. Let's jump into it. GBP and then gold. So I have one of my boys with me. He's going to analyze one of the pairs. Which one are you analyzing? GBP or GBP? GBP. Using the analysis, going to analyze it for you guys. Who did this analysis? Wala. So let me pull out GBP, JPY. So I'm going to do I'm going to do GBP USD, and I'm going to do XAU USD. Then he's going to come up next to do GBP JPY. You guys, okay? Now this particular class is a very powerful one, so I want you to watch it again and again and again and again and again till you gain mastery of it. Do you understand? Watch it again and again till you gain mastery of it. Until you gain mastery of it, don't stop watching it. So you have to rewatch this class till you gain mastery of it. All right. So first of all, where's the strategy? Let's go to the Telegram page. ATM strategy, David's Millionaire Forex strategy. Okay. I'll paste it on the comment section for you guys. I'll paste it on the comment section for you guys. Quickly, go on the job. All right. Okay. Yeah, baby. Before NEPA interrupted us. By the way, it was NEPA, it's not also. We have money for free, but NEPA does not allow us. We are not owing them. So I've pasted the whole strategy on the comment section. Someone said, please, sir, is it possible to compare today's weekly analysis with that of COT's committee of traders? It's not committee of traders, it's commitment of traders. Commitment of traders report, COT report. I know. To see if it will work. Okay, no problem. We'll do that. Let's finish up the analysis first. Okay. So ATM strategy. It says on the 4-hour time frame, draw structural zones, highs and lows. Draw structural zones, highs and lows. So let's look at it together. Draw structural zones, highs and lows. So it says on the 4-hour time frame, we have to go to 4-hour. Now let me tell you all you need. You need the 2 recent swings. That's all you need. Every other, see, what's the recent swing? We have all this swing low and all this swing high. Every other thing before it is insignificant. Somebody say insignificant to you. All these things here are what? Insignificant. All you need are the 2 recent swings. The swing low, swinging into a new high. And that's all. Every other thing is useless. Do you understand what I'm sharing with you? Every other thing is useless. So now we have picked our swing lows and swing highs. So it says draw what? Market structure. The lows and highs. From this high, we have this low, we have this high, we have this low, we do this every single time with us, man. So I'm not going to analyze and tell you why this is the low and this is the high. It's left to you to pick. The one that breaks here, that will be here. Okay. Low, high, low, high, high. We don't have any new low. So the structural highs and lows that we're trying to draw now, this one has been invalidated because price has swept above it, right? Price sat on this, but it didn't sweep above. But it has sat on it, so it's invalidated already. That's not broken above it, but it has sat on it. So right now, what are our significant levels? Places that price has not swept off. Look at me. Places that price has not swept off. We have, let me draw it again for you to see. We have this high leading to this low, then this high, then this low, then this high right here, right? So places that price has not swept off. Places that price has not swept off. We have 1, 2, overall here 3, and that level again on 4-hour. This place 4. So let's draw it out. This level here, that is our 4th. Let's draw it. Price has not swept it off yet. At least not yet. Okay? At least not yet. So we can mark that and lock it. Other places price has not swept up. We have 1, we have 2, we have this high 3. So let's mark it out. This high has many confluences. One, many confluences. Right here we have 2. I joined this place and this place together as one zone. Okay. So this has fulfilled instruction number 1 of the strategy. It's every other thing that is before it is what? Insignificant. Every other thing is insignificant. The price has cleared them. Every other thing is insignificant. Do you understand what I'm saying? This extension. It's cutting. It keeps cutting when I'm teaching. I'll buy a new one. I observe when I was teaching. And this is second time now. So we're buying a new one today. Can you guys hear me? Please talk to me. Let me know if you can hear me. Even though I'm sure you can, but let me just know. Tell me you can hear me. All right. Amazing. Christopher says affirmative, boss. Don Smart says yes. All right, let's go on. Still on the strategy, okay? Next instruction says identify confluence areas, preferably change to a line chart to reduce the noise from the candles. So let's do that right now. Preferably change to a what? Line chart. Done. Now, every zone that we are picking must be within this low and this high that we have drawn. We are not trying to pick a zone outside of that low or that high. Hello, Kira Forex. Good morning. Please let me call you back. I'm teaching. I'll call you. Yeah. Sorry about that. Your favorite female trader called me. So you're trying to draw zones within lines within this zone, areas of confluence within this zone, this high and this low. So pull out this young boy right here, and let's look for something. Let's look for something. We have 1 touch, we have 2 touch, we have 3 touch, we have 4 touch. This is not a very clear one, but at least it's good enough. Are we together? At least it's good enough. So that's 1. Let's pick another one. Okay. Here is good enough. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4. Good enough. Let's pick. We have done one way prices, we have done one above price. Let's do one above price. Let's do another one above price. Our potential take profit. And I love this one. Yeah. So we have 3 zones. I love this 3rd zone now. I love it very well because there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, there's 6, there's 7 touches on that line. So that's my take profit. Obviously, we are in a bullish trend. Obviously, we are trying to buy. So when I say that's my take profit, you know what I mean, bro. Okay. Um, Next instruction, please. Next instruction says go to what? 1 hour time frame. Check to know if there are any clear and significant zones you missed in the 4 hour time frame. So we're going to 1 hour time frame to check if you missed out anything on the 4 hours. 1 hour. This is a 1 hour zone here we did not pick. And the zone looks good. Yeah. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 touches. I love it. I love all my zones here. I love all the zones. All of them. All the zones here are beautiful zones. All the zones. I'm telling you the truth. They are all very beautiful zones. And we're going to make money from them today. It's an assurance. Somebody tell your neighbor assurance. Assurance. Say it with fire. Say it like you mean it. Say it with conviction. Somebody say fire. Sorry, assurance. Voila. Next instruction says draw Fibonacci from swing low to swing high for a buy. And we're buying, right? Swing low to swing high. So we change back to candlestick charts. We draw Fibonacci. First, you know our swing low. Next, you know our swing high. Swing low. Right now, we're going to pick this whole zone because we joined them together. No, let's just do the proper thing. This is swing low actually. Then this is swing high. Okay, we have done that. Swing low to swing high, right? We have done that. Next instruction says, someone say assurance, Papa. These guys are clowns, I swear. You say assurance, Papa. We shall be that one again. See that ride on coach. I beg, I know they ride anybody. All right. I already know what I'm doing in the market. As I've seen this, I already know where I'm buying from. Buying from this 4 hour zone below. And then look at, there's an order block here on the 1 hour. So I like the buy from here. Wait, let me not jump corners. Let me take it about another. Next instruction says what? On the 15 minutes time frame, spot an ideal entry point. So we go down to the 15 minutes time frame and we're trying to spot an ideal entry point. An ideal entry point based on the past. Actually, there's none here. However, I have the power. There's another entry point below. Honestly speaking, see this other block here, but it looks too below. Price may not come to it, but yeah, it is a valid one, right? Identify other blocks, blah 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 blah. We have done that already. Set entry, stop loss, take profits. Preferred Fibonacci is 61.8, but now price has gone lower than 61.8, so we are not picking 61.8 again. We're going to pick either 79% or 88.6. We are not picking 70.5. Nope. Either 79 or 88.6. TP1 is 0, obviously. TP2 is minus 27. Okay, so let's do that right now. Um, Back to 1 hour time frame. I got tired of analyzing on 15 minutes. I now love 1 hour. The only thing is, obviously, I'm not going to enter my trade on 1 hour alone. No, I have other confirmations. I have many powers. I have Leplante Lamante. I have Abido Shika. I've not touched those ones. I have Gangusa. In blending Eolionius. I have Leple Lamante. I have Abido Shika. I have Gangusa. All right. So there's an entry below here, but price may not come there. We have another entry right here. The price just tapped. So we have two entries. Let's see how wide our stop loss will be if we want to use all of them as a stop loss. 30 something pips is too much. So what we can do is have two entries actually. First one is 20 pips. 20 pips, yeah. Or let's just keep it at 25 pips. Actually, we can even keep it at 30 pips. 30 pips stop loss. The only thing is our TP must be long. This is overall TP here, minus 27. Okay. Overall take profit of minus 27. Overall take profit of minus 27. Entry is 79% Fibonacci, like I told you, which is 1.270103. Let me just type it out for you guys. Entry 1.27103. Stop loss 30 pips. TP1. TP1, your riding price. TP1, 2, 3, 4. TP4 is 150 pips. 1.28600. So from here, one point two seven 700 is TP1. 27900 is TP2. 27700 TP1, 27900, and that is 60 pips, 80 pips. And here is 28 200, 28 200. That's 110 pips. 28 200, 27900. 27700. And there's a method to entering this particular trade because price has moved. Price has moved. There's a method to entering this trade. There's a method. Hold on, I'll show you. Hold on. Good. So now price has moved. How can we enter this trade? This is the hack I have every time. Follow me closely. Come to lower time frame, 15 minutes to be precise. You can even go to 5 minutes, no problem. Then, let me go to 5 minutes, I'll show you. On 5 minutes, you see a level that price will retrace to. That level is where you're trying to enter from. Now, price has started moving. It's Monday morning. London session has started. Obviously, these guys are pushing price, and they're not going to wait for you. Two things you want to do. Wait for price to close above this thing on the 5 minutes. Above here. Above this support level. Can you see it? Immediately price close above it, it's going to retest it, and that's where you're entering from. That's method one. Method two is I can see a bullish order block here. See here, the price mistakenly comes back to it. Is method two of entering this trade. If you understand what I just said, talk to me. If you don't understand, also talk to me. If you understand what I just showed you now, this thing I just showed you is going to save you a lot of stress in the future. It's going to save you so much stress in the future. It's going to save you so much stress in the future. Because now price has moved and we have not entered yet. And look at price just successfully closed above. So when are you entering? Immediately you retest on that resistance. That's method one of entering. So just hold on. It's going to retest now. Just make sure you are holding your MT4 and MT5. Oh. Me, I will not enter trade because I don't trade on Mondays. But it's a good trade. I'm just telling you. It's a good trade. Okay? Trust me on this one. Immediately price taps on this thing now. We are all entering. Just hold on. Your work is to watch. So whenever I'm trading like this, I just stay and be watching. I have my bias. Price has given me confirmation. Broken above. That's more than one confirmation, more than two, more than three. All I'm waiting for is price. Please come and tap my entry. Now shoot. Just hold on. All I'm waiting for is for price to what? To tap that entry and then we are going to shoot. Because now the way it works is the confirmations we got are more than enough to show that price is going to move. All right. However, we are going to enter the yet when price moves. So what we are going to do is we have gone to lower time frame to mark out support level, wait for price to retest it. Now that it has broken it, upon that retest, we are all going to enter. Upon that retest, so just give it like 2-3 minutes. Now you see the price will retest it. Just watch like 2-3 minutes, and then we'll enter together. Do you understand? If you understand, put 777. Person they call me a remorse. Is it not? I be remorse. Elon Musk. Someone say in the boski, but I will say boss, to be sincere, I'm getting a point here. Wow, nice. I like that sincerity. Say boss, I'm getting a point here. Nice. He say we need you here in PH. I'm coming. Someone say blurry screen. Increase the quality of the video from your end, bro. Increase the quality of the video from your end. Just go to YouTube, go to settings, increase the video quality. Okay? It's not blurry screen. The screen is 100%. I'm using a 4K screen, by the way. I don't want to boost, but this is a 4K monitor. Do you understand? 4K monitor. No, I'm not saying $4,000. I'm saying 4K in resolution. That's the screen I'm using. So it can never be video quality from my end. It can never be. The only thing it can be is network quality. But video quality, it can never be. Are you joking with me? It can never be video quality from my end. It can never be video quality from my end. I'll go and return the 4K monitor. So price has not tapped it yet. We're going to wait for price to tap it. There's something I used to do before. There's a strategy I used to do before. And the strategy works too. It's like inside of its zone, I'll now drop Fibonacci again, wait for 61.8, which is premium, and then boom, I'll shoot it. This strategy still works, but I don't use it anymore. But it still works. But this one now, it works because price has broken a high. Do you understand? Has broken a high. That's broken a high successfully. While we're still doing our analysis, the price was preparing itself because it was rallying in and around that 79% Fibonacci level for so long, but we're not ready for price yet. So while we are waiting on this price to tap that level, let's quickly do XAU USD using the same strategy. So XAU USD, we're going to take time. Using the same strategy, let's go through XAU USD. So first thing, you know how we did. I said, look at the swing low and the swing high, the most recent. What are the most recent? We have this swing high, and then we have this swing low. Every other thing before it is noise, and so it is insignificant. What did I say? Insignificant. because it cannot do anything. Somebody say power, Papa. Power. It is insignificant. Shegbo, are you listening to me? Do you understand what I'm sharing with you? Voila. Okay, so we already have the swing high and swing low. Let's now draw 4 hour level. 4 hour level. 4 hour level, we have 1 year. 4 hour level, we have 2 year. 4 hour level, we have 3 year. And guess what? That's all. There's nothing else. We don't have any other level. Actually, we have this young boy here, but I'm not going to consider it much yet because price may still come lower than it. Now, according to the most recent swings, like I just showed you, obviously, we're in a buy trend, right? You look at this swing high, this swing low. We're in a buy trend, a strong buy trend, right? However, right now, price is in a current swing low. High, low, higher high, lower high, lower low, current swing low. All right. So overall, we're in a buy trend, but right now we are in a sell momentum. So I'm not going to be looking to buy in this market, even though we're in a buy trend. I'd rather that the market buys by itself into a good sell zone for me, and then I will sell the young boy. Okay. Now change the line chart. Same thing. Same thing. Look for zones with the most conferences. One, 2, 3, 4. I don't really like this one. Neither do I like this one. I think this is better. Or no, this is better actually. Yeah, this level. Price sitting at this level is better. Yes. So that's 1. We are drawing 3. Again, same method. 1, 2, 3. 2. One last one. Let's do one below where price is. It must be 3. If not, I'm not picking it though. And don't try to force something. It must show by itself. Don't be like some people that would like be forcing the market. No. So we didn't see. Let's go to 1 hour if we'll see. That's simple. You didn't see on the 4 hours. Let's go to 1 hour. Hopefully we see something. Ayé mi bọ́lá fún ọ Jésù. Ẹ̀mí mi fògo fún ọ Jésù. No, I'm on YouTube. YouTube will flag it, copyright. Don't ever use any song when you're streaming live. YouTube will flag your live session. Except you have license, and I don't have license yet. Maybe some other time I will. Okay, this looks good. Yeah, perfect. Oh, sharper, papa. We are going to sharpen the market today. Let them know that we are not their mates. Somebody say power, papa. On the 1 hour, I mean, you should know the strategy you found already. What do you say you should do? From swing high to where now? To swing low. So where's our swing high? This is our swing high. Where's our swing low? This is our swing low. Simple, very, very easy. Somebody say easy, baby. Easy. Go easy on me, baby. So I'm doing this because We are in a sell momentum right now. That's why I'm doing the reverse, not from the low to high, but now from the high to low. Sharp, pa, 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 pa. Now, look at me. From the high to the low, okay, meaning we are expecting further sales. However, where are we selling from? You do not know. I do not know. We both do not know. Let's see if we'll see any zone close to 61.8 on the 1 hour. Anything close to 61.8. Major level. I'm not here to force anything. It must be obvious. Shut up. Rekototo. I prefer this one. Yes. Power, Papa. Power, 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 power. Yeah. So now we have this level. What it means is price is going to look for anyway, break above, retest, then ride its way up, and then we'll sell. Expecting to sell on good. However, you have to buy first, Abi. That buy, I know how to buy, but I'm not going to teach you because it's only for my VIP students. Someone say power. Actually, the only reason I'm not going to teach you is because it's not according to the strategy. So I don't want to. What's the word? Someone said so sharp now. I've been suffering for lack of knowledge. Exactly. Next time when you join the live session, go and increase video quality by yourself on YouTube setting. You understand? Because they used to conserve your data for you. Maybe you set your own as low data mode. Very soon you have a lot of data. I decree. Oh, papa, 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 papa. Receive it now. Receive grace. I'm laughing, but I'm serious. If I'm not serious. Me, I'm very, very serious. Forget, I'm laughing, but I'm serious. You receive grace. You receive fire. You receive fire. Fire. So I'm expecting to sell on gold, actually. That's what I'm expecting, okay? But obviously, you need to buy. That buy is valid from a level, but I'm not going to teach you that level yet. So just wait for gold. And we're all selling gold around, anywhere around there. Anywhere around there, gold should be good for yourself. Anywhere around there. You're going to buy gold, but I'm not the one going to tell you where to buy gold. In fact, with this 1, 2, 3, 4 week rejections on 4-hour time frame, gold is telling you that I'm ready to buy here. That's why see, it's not in this strategy. That's why I don't want to teach you before. But if you got 15 minutes time frame, you will see the entry point clear. Gold has done W pattern. W is for what? It's for win, buy, win, 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 win. Other block here, gold came to what? Tap it. What's it? It's telling you I want to buy. So all you need to do is wait for price. To do what? To break above this level right here. Wait for price to break above it and retest it. Then boom. Snipe. Somebody says snipe. You snipe it. But overall, the reason I'm not going to tell you to buy is because buying is like reversal, and I don't want to teach you trading reversals yet. I've taught it to my VIP students. I don't want to teach it to the public yet, simply because you may not be able to handle it if I teach. Later on in the future, I'm sure you will, but right now, I don't think you are ready for it. Okay, so this is good. We are selling, but we are still where we are selling from stiffer. So just look for ways to buy. It's a heavy downpour. So if you're trying to buy, the buy will be sluggish. It will be sluggish like this, something like this. Sluggish buys into the major sell. So I'd rather that you just trade something else. If you know how to trade gold, then be sniping be scalping it. Don't stay for the long time, stay for a good time. That sounds very dirty. Don't stay for a long time, stay for a good time. So GU has retested our price level. I told you it's going to retest it. So I believe everybody that followed my strategy should be in. Look at it, we tested it exactly at that place. I told you that we should see price coming back to retest it here, and then we should see the buy start. So price has retested, and the buy is ready to go. So we are buying all the way up. Okay, keep your SL at that same place. I know that will be a lot of SL, or keep it there. Just better safe than sorry. No, actually, if you're entering upon this retest, you can keep your SL like 88.6. That's 26900 or 26950. You can keep it at that level, 26950. It's okay. Price is not coming here. If price comes here, then it has invalidated our setup. Actually, it has. The price comes here. Okay. I only kept all of this space as SL for you because I want you to have breathing space on your trade, and you will not be rushing the trade like you rush your daily meal every single day while you're eating. Right. So you can come to 15 minutes time frame. You see that price is doing similar thing in preparation for a bull run, similar, back and forth, all in preparation for a bull run. Okay. Price may drop further down into this 61.8, 50% level or overrun into here, but it's not going to go below. If it goes below, once it crosses this 950 region downwards, then I know that price is no more buying, at least not now, not today. But I expect it to buy from here, don't worry. It is GBP USD, it's my boy, it's my servant, I command GBP USD, okay? So you can be rest assured that we have more likelihood to win on this trade than we do to lose. Do you understand? Someone said G has done the retest. Yes, buff. And I believe you are in already. Sahid Adeyemi. All right, so that's all from me today. My boy is here. He will analyze JPY for you guys. Then I'll come back to answer any question you have, and we'll call it a day from here. Okay. So um, many of you do not know him. Come. Many of you do not know him, but those on the VIP channel, you know him. His name is Uzoma. Uzoma is very, very good. He's very good. So let's analyze the markets. So you can just start directly from here, GBJPY, using the strategy for them so that they're not going to be confused. See this sweet trade. Look at this sweet trade. Ah, man. Now, me, I analyze this thing. Look at now. I said break, retest, and buy. It wasn't me. I just didn't see them now, sir. I know they trade this thing, so I don't even look up. Yeah, come on, continue. Just use like 20 minutes max. So we'll not keep them too long.
Good morning, everyone. So I'll be doing the analysis on GDP JPY this morning. Okay. So, yeah. So to begin with, following the strategy, we are on the 4 hours time frame. We are to mark structural zones as the highs and the lows. Yeah, on the 4 hour time frame. Before we do that, let's see if there's any major zones that would hinder price from pushing higher. First off, yeah. Okay. Start. Okay. Yeah, sorry. So you mark the most obvious ones first off. Then before you go lower and look for those ones that are not really obvious to mark. You understand? These obvious ones are what I'm marking out here. Okay. So that's that for the major zones. Okay, so this time frame just adjust everything. Okay. Okay. So we have this zone. Have that zone. So let's mark a structural zone. So I'll mark the levels that may hinder price from going higher or going lower that are obvious to me currently on this time frame. So let's mark the highs and the lows. So we have this high, we have this high, we have this low. This high, we have this low. Okay. All right. So after marking our highs and lows on the 4-hour time frame, we identify areas of confluence. Okay, so by identifying an area of confluence here, tap on the lower time frame on our 1-hour time frame. Okay. Let's see, are there any levels on the 1-hour time frame? So we have this level that has a level to be mindful of on the 1-hour time frame. There's also another level here. Okay. Okay, so we have these two levels on the 1-hour time frame. So the next step is to pull out our Fibonacci and see from the swing low to the swing high. So this is the swing low here to the swing high. Yeah. Price has retraced to 61.8. There is a level there, you can see. There is a minor zone there. You have this. Okay. Here we counter trend line. Okay. Uh, Looking at it here, right? If you can look see closely, the 1 hour time frame is forming something like an head and shoulder here. You can see this is the left hand, this is the head, this is the right shoulder, but it's not completed yet because this level has not been taken out. So you cannot say a pattern is completed until it has fully formed. You trade what you see, not what you think. Um, so this level, I would only be looking to buy GDP USD long term. Yeah, if it takes out this high, long GDP JPY, sorry, long term if it takes out this high. But currently, I would be looking to buy GDP JPY once this resistance is broken. So if we break this resistance up here, I'm looking to buy GDP JPY into this level. Then see what happens next. If it takes out this level, then I would keep on buying. If not, I would we analyze my trade and see if there's any opportunity to sell or to buy. But overall, GDP JPY, the 4 hours time frame is bullish. Um, if I'm to check the structure on my 1 hour time frame, let me see. Okay, 1 hour is bearish. Let me see the 15 minutes. The 15 minutes are entry time frame. It has to align with the 4 hours and the 1 hour. 1 hour time frame. I'm sorry, I cannot do the markup for the structure, the highs and the lows, but the 15 minutes is also bullish. So if we get a breakout of here to the upside, I'm looking to buy GDP JPY to this level. If not, I'll be looking to sell GDP USD if it does not take out GDP JPY. If it does not take out this level, if it breaks this below this level, I'm looking to sell GDP JPY. My reasons being that one, uh if you see here on the 4 hours time frame, yeah, you see the progression of price. The more price went up, the smaller it became. Shows them less buying power in the market. You understand? And you see the bearish force that push price down. So if I take this, if you can see, we have something like a double top here. Although I would not really say it's a double top. If you see this is one top, two, so we shut down, and you see this massive bearish candle. So with this, see the progression of price going up. The bullish, see how small the bullish candles were. See how massive the bearish candles were. If price doesn't take out this high, this resistance here, I'll be looking to sell GDP USD. Reasons being that one, we already have a double top up there, and if you see the way price took out this previous high with one countdown instantly closed almost the same length, which shows that the buying pressure is reduced, but price has increased back to 61.8. Gathered more buying orders, and I expect it to push up all the way to 20 minus 27. But if that does not happen, I'll be looking to sell GDP USD from this level. If you see, we have something like, if this does not happen, we'll have something like this. This is what I'll be looking to. This will be my, you understand? This will be my bias for the week on GDP JPY. If we don't break this resistance, then I'll be looking to sell GDP USD only when it takes out this low. You understand? Only when it takes out this low. You see, that's like a double top also on the 4 hour time frame. So we have a double top in a double top. See, this is the bigger double top, and this is a small double top. You understand? So if this plays out, I'll be looking to sell JPY all the way down to this level. But if it does not play out and it breaks above, I'll be looking to buy GDP JPY up onto this level. Then wait for what happens here. If it breaks above, I continue buying on to minus 27. But if not, I'll analyze my chart and see what happens next. So basically, I'm favoring GDP JPY 65% to the upside, 35% to the downside. Simply because if we didn't have this kind of sluggish price price projection, like a movement up. You understand? All this slow, small, bullish candle. But I've said GDP, JPY will shoot up maybe like 80% or 85. But because of the way I'm seeing price going up, struggling to go up, and the way these bearish candles came down, I was down like we're doing 65, 35. There is no certainty in this market. It's only about probability. So that's that for me on GDP, JPY. So just watching for this zone. If we break out of that zone, the 15 minutes already is bullish. So if we break out of this zone, if we take out this zone, yeah, you see, I think there is a level here also that is holding price currently. So yeah, there is a level here. You can see this level here on the 15 minutes. So there is this level that's holding price currently. Sorry about that. So if we take out that level, let's see, can the Fibonacci connect? Come here, Fibonacci, trend line, please. Sorry. Let's see. Okay, I think we can have a trend line play also on the 15 minutes. Okay, so that's good. So if only if I'll be looking to buy GDP JPY, if it takes out this resistance, then I'll be looking to buy GDP JPY on the test all the way to this level. So that should be about let's see how many pips in profit. Let's see. So and pull out my Fibonacci here. Here's my entry time frame. If it's this one. So I would my stop loss would be 30 pips. Yeah, and my take profit would be anywhere around 80 pips. Yeah. That should be a 1:2.5.6 trade if GDP breaks above. But if not, yeah, then I'll be looking to sell GDP USD after it breaks below this neckline here. Like only after, if it does not break below, I'm not selling, I'm still going to be buying. You understand? I mean, maybe price doesn't want to buy off this resistance, of this level. Maybe wants to come down, buy from here. But I would only be looking to sell GDP JPY if it takes out this level here. But as of now, I'm looking at buying GDP JPY currently. But only if it takes out this resistance. That is the rule. Only if. Do not get into GDP JPY right now thinking it's going to go up. You may end up losing your money. So just hold on. This is Monday morning. Like David said, he does not trade on Monday morning. I also don't trade on Monday. I'll be looking at this trade becoming active from maybe New York session today or tomorrow. That's that for me on GDP JPY. I think that should be all from me. Any question?
Do you know what to find questions?
I'm not the section.
Okay.
Nice.
Someone say ugly black screen. Change to white screen. Do what works for you, bro.
All right. Thank you. Good hour to hour. Let's see the G.
Yeah. All right, guys. So if you learned a thing or two from him, go ahead and write. Thank you. He didn't even ask for his name. See you guys. If you learned a thing or two from him, go ahead and write it. Go ahead and write it. You learned a thing or two from him. Me, I learned a lot, not a thing or two. I learned a lot. um, any question from anybody at all, even if it's not just about what he taught you, but any other thing, any question at all. Any question? Let's see. G is moving. Well, fair enough. Any question? Any question? I think there's no question from anybody. Steve FX says, "Good day, sir." Steve, how are you now? Steve is a great guy. You guys, he's in Port Harcourt and he's making a lot of money in Port Harcourt. So what you guys can do is, connect. So Steve, come to my DM. You have my WhatsApp. Come to my DM. Let's set up like a conference, not conference, like a boot camp in Port Harcourt, and then I'll come. I'm coming to Port Harcourt just first week of July. Okay, so just set up something around that time, and I'll be there. All right. Do you want to come with me? Will you be available? Okay. It's easier said for you now. Okay. So Steve, just reach out. Let's set up something. All right. Anyways, you guys have a great day and God bless you. That's all from me today. And cheers.